In the after the first video, the sawmill review, he wrote me and said he wanted to send me a t-shirt. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Okay, hello. This is going to be a short one. I got this package in the mail, and I think you can see it says Jerry's Resharp on it. I didn't order anything. After the first sawmill video, I'm going to do this from the bottom so that my address doesn't go out. In the after the first video, the sawmill review, he wrote me and said he wanted to send me a t-shirt. Okay, and that was what, a month ago? I'm like, okay, sure, I'll take a t-shirt, that's nice. And I didn't hear back from him again. Then I did the second video where I focused on just the blade, and somebody from Jerry's Resharp wrote me. I don't think it was the same guy, and I ignored it. I think I ignored it. Something to the effect of, I want to send you something. So they sent me something, and it looks like it's a saw blade and a t-shirt. Let's see what this says. We really appreciate the video. You can't probably see that. We really appreciate the video you made. It's people like you that keep us in business. Busy season is upon us. We strive to make our customer service a priority. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out. Thank you, Madden. And then there's their phone number, and we'll keep my address off the page, I hope. 2 rippers and 1 shirt. Let's take a look at the shirt. We already know what the rippers look like. They're right there. Oh, we got a sticker too. That's kind of cool. And it's zip tied. Okay. No bread ties for these guys. No messing around. I've got my short tripod, so I'm kind of handicapped here in terms of range. I wanted to do this outside. I was going to do it by the mill, but picnic table was clear. Let's see what we got for t-shirt. I don't know if you can hear the chickens in the background. It's blue. Let me reframe it here. Get a glimpse of my backyard too. I can hold this up where you can see it. It is a extra large. Okay. And it says Jerry's Resharp with the phone number on it and his website on the back. And on the front, we've got the little monogram in the corner. So that was very nice of them. Thank you very much. And we got a sticker. There. We're kind of half a... I didn't want to be in the full sun. It's really hot today, so yeah, we'll cover the chickens up. So that's kind of cool. All right, well, thank you, Jerry. Madden, Jerry, whatever your name is. Yeah, that was very nice. Very nice of them to send that out. I didn't expect anything. I didn't do the video with any anticipation of a reward. But yeah, there's 2 blades. I guess he must have seen the video where I ruined it on the 3rd pass. I drove it into that ill-placed log holder. But yeah, there's Ripper 37s right there. I don't know what they do to these. Well, we've got... It looks like they're heat treated or something. And this blade is, this tooth is this way, and that tooth is that way, and this tooth is that way. So they're good blades. They're good blades, and apparently they're good people. Yeah, I'm going to put their information in the description again for anybody that wants something from them. And keep them in business so I have a place to go to next time I need some blades. Yeah, well, 5 minutes for this video. Oh, sneak peek. We've got another video coming out on Model Ts. Model T would be in it. Let's put it that way. I'm testing another product, and well, we'll see how that turns out. But stay tuned for that. And if you've made it all the way to the end of this, video, I'm sorry, it's really, the pollen is really thick and it's in my throat. If you made it this far, I have a question for you, and I'd like you to put it in the comments. I'm thinking about doing merchandise. Now, I don't know if it's going to be a cup, if it's going to be a sweatshirt, a t-shirt, a hoodie, or what. I want your opinion. What do you think would sell? What would you be interested in buying to help support this channel? You can throw that in the comments, and if I can make it happen, I'll make it happen for you. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.